Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Here's what 12 months of ClearSpot agents actually did to MWH recovery and OPEX across a multi-site solar portfolio. This is not a simulation. These are real operational numbers. A lot of AI discussions stay theoretical. This one doesn't. What you're about to see comes from an actual operating portfolio with real inspections, real maintenance workflows, and measurable performance outcomes. The objective was simple: reduce hidden losses, shorten response times, and improve operational efficiency without replacing existing infrastructure. At month 0, the portfolio already had standard SCADA monitoring and routine inspections in place, but several operational gaps remained. Underperformance events stayed unresolved too long. Inspection cadence was limited by manpower. Known defects accumulated faster than teams could verify them. And engineering teams spent significant time manually reviewing data before action could even begin. The operation was functional, but heavily reactive. Once the agents were deployed, the operating model changed. Inspection coverage increased, detection frequency improved, and time to action compressed significantly. The agents continuously analyzed thermal inspections, SCADA signals, IV patterns, and operational trends together. That surfaced defects much earlier: thermal hotspots, string mismatch, PID progression, curtailment anomalies, bypass diode failures, and inverter side issues. The result wasn't more alarms, it was faster prioritization and faster closure. Over the 12-month period, the portfolio recovered measurable energy that otherwise would have remained lost. Recovered MWH increased, inspection hours dropped, unnecessary truck rolls were reduced, and issue verification cycles shortened dramatically. When translated into operational cost and energy value, the gains became financially material, not because of one major event, but because hundreds of smaller losses were identified and resolved earlier. That compounding effect matters at utility scale. One of the biggest operational shifts was engineering time allocation. Before deployment, teams spent large portions of the week hunting for problems, reviewing alarms, cross-checking datasets, verifying fault candidates manually. After deployment, the agents handled the triage layer automatically. So engineers spent less time searching and more time closing verified issues. That operational leverage scaled across every site in the portfolio. For this episode, we included the anonymized 12-month agent audit pack. It contains example workflows, operational benchmarks, defect categories, and portfolio-level outcome summaries from the audit process. The resource is designed for asset managers, operations leaders, and engineering teams evaluating AI-assisted solar operations. You can request the audit pack directly from the ClearSpot demo page. Just ask for the 12-month audit resource linked with this video. And if you want to see how agentic workflows apply to your portfolio, schedule a live walkthrough with the team. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.